everyone, welcome back to the English Academy. I'm Lena.
And I'm Sam. We're really happy you're here with us today, wherever you are in the world.
Today, we're going to talk about something very human and very important for real conversations, feelings, and emotions.
Yes, we feel something every single day. Calm, worried, excited, tired, annoyed, proud. So it's really useful to know how to talk about your emotions in English. All right, Lena, first question. How are you feeling right now?
Right now, I feel peaceful and a little energized. I had a nice walk this morning and a big cup of tea. What about you?
I feel happy and focused. I like this topic, and I'm excited to talk about it.
Perfect. We've already used some emotions. Peaceful, energized, happy, focused, excited. Let's slow down and explore feelings in a simple, clear way. Let's begin with 4 very basic and very common feelings. You probably know these words, but we'll add more detail and useful phrases.
Feeling number 1, happy.
Sam, when do you usually feel happy?
I feel happy when I spend time with people I love. My family, my close friends. A simple dinner, some jokes, everyone relaxed. That makes me happy.
I feel happy when I finish a small goal. For example, when I finish a book or complete a project, I feel like, yes, I did it. It's happiness for me.
You'll also hear words like glad and content. I'm glad you're here. I feel content after a good meal.
Happy is the most common and easiest word for everyday speaking, but glad and content are nice extra words you can use.
Now the opposite, sad.
I feel sad when I say goodbye to someone I won't see for a long time.
I feel sad when I see a kind person having a hard time, like a friend losing a job or a pet getting sick.
Being sad is not bad. It's a normal human feeling. A related word is upset.
Yes, upset is a mix of feelings, maybe a bit sad, a bit worried, a bit uncomfortable. For example, I was upset when my friend canceled our plans at the last minute.
Another big basic feeling is angry.
I feel angry when I see injustice. For example, when someone is treated badly just because they are different.
I feel angry when someone is rude on purpose. Not a small mistake, but really rude.
There are weaker and stronger words around angry. Annoyed equals a little angry, like when someone talks loudly on the phone on the bus. Furious equals extremely angry.
And the 4th basic feeling is scared or afraid.
I'm afraid of very high places. I can go up, but my body gets tense.
I feel scared when I hear a loud, unexpected noise at night. My heart beats faster.
So far we have happy, glad, content, sad, upset, angry, annoyed, furious, scared, afraid.
Now let's talk about feelings connected to energy, your body and mind.
First, relaxed. I feel relaxed when I sit in a quiet cafe, listen to soft music, and drink something warm.
I feel relaxed when I turn off my phone, lie on the sofa, and read a book with no pressure and no schedule.
The opposite is often stressed.
Yes, I feel stressed when I have many things to do and not enough time.
I feel stressed when my phone and email are both full and people are waiting for my answers.
Stress is about pressure. Too many tasks, too many thoughts.
A related word is overwhelmed. That's when there is so much work, messages, problems, that you don't know where to start.
Another important feeling is tired.
I feel tired after a day of teaching and talking nonstop.
Me too, and there's a stronger word. Exhausted, very, very tired. I was exhausted after traveling for 12 hours.
Next is a positive, high-energy feeling, excited.
I feel excited when I'm planning a trip or starting a new project I really care about.
I feel excited when I have something fun on my calendar. A concert, a meetup, or a special event.
You can think of excited as happy plus energy about the future.
Now a quieter feeling, bored.
Bored is when nothing is interesting. Time feels slow. Maybe you are in a meeting where you already know everything. You sit there and think, I'm bored.
So in this group we have relaxed, calm, stressed, overwhelmed, tired, exhausted, excited, bored.
Some feelings are about how we see ourselves or our relationships.
Let's start with lonely. Lonely is not the same as alone.
True, you can be alone and feel fine, or be with many people and still feel lonely.
I feel lonely if I move to a new place and don't know anyone yet.
Another feeling is shy. Shy means you feel uncomfortable or quiet around new people.
I used to feel shy speaking English because I was afraid of making mistakes in front of others.
The opposite is confident. Confident means you trust yourself and your abilities.
I feel confident when I talk about topics I know well. I also feel more confident in English now than years ago.
A beautiful feeling is proud.
Proud is when you or someone you care about achieves something. I'm proud of my sister. She worked hard and passed her exam. I'm proud of myself for continuing to study English.
Now a more complicated feeling, jealous.
Jealous is when you compare yourself to others and feel bad because they have something you want. Maybe a job, a relationship, money, talent.
It's a very human feeling, but it doesn't feel good. One way to change jealous into something healthier is to feel inspired or impressed instead.
For example, instead of I'm jealous of her English, you can think, I'm impressed by her English, and I want to learn from her.
So in this group we have lonely, shy, confident, proud, jealous, impressed, inspired.
Now let's look at feelings that live more in our mind and heart.
First, nervous.
Nervous is that butterflies in the stomach, feeling before something important, an interview, an exam, a presentation.
I feel nervous before I speak on a big stage, even if I'm prepared.
A related feeling is worried.
Worried is when your mind keeps thinking about a problem. You check your phone again and again. You imagine different scenarios.
And when the worry stays for a long time and feels strong in your body, we sometimes say anxious.
Next, two beautiful positive feelings, hopeful and grateful.
I feel hopeful when I see small progress in myself, my students, or the world. Hopeful means you believe the future can be better.
I feel grateful when I notice good things I already have. My health, my friends, a safe home, time to rest.
Another important feeling is guilty.
Guilty is when you think you did something wrong and you feel bad about it. For example, you promised to help a friend and you forgot. You might say, I feel guilty.
When guilt is very strong and you feel bad about yourself, not just your action, we sometimes say ashamed, that's a heavier feeling.
A much nicer feeling is relieved.
Relieved is when a problem finally ends or when something difficult goes okay, the stress drops, and you exhale. I'm so relieved.
One more very human feeling is embarrassed.
Embarrassed is when something small happens, and you feel uncomfortable or silly. For example, you say the wrong word in front of people or you walk into the wrong room.
Your face might get hot, you might want to hide, but later, you usually laugh about it.
Now that we have many feeling words, how can you actually use them?
The basic pattern is I feel plus adjective, I feel tired, I feel hopeful, I feel a bit nervous.
Or I'm plus adjective, I'm tired, I'm nervous, I'm grateful.
Both are fine in conversation. I feel tired, and I'm tired are both natural.
Let's do a few small examples with different situations.
Situation, you get a new job offer. I feel excited and a little nervous about my new job.
Situation, your friend passes an important exam. I'm so proud of you. You worked hard.
Situation, you had a very long day at work. I am exhausted. I just want to sleep.
Situation, you thought something bad would happen, but it was okay. I'm so relieved. Everything went well.
Situation, you're waiting for test results. I feel anxious. I can't stop thinking about it.
Situation, you received help when you really needed it. I feel grateful for your support.
We've explored many emotions today: happy, glad, content, sad, upset, disappointed, angry, annoyed, frustrated, scared, afraid, nervous, anxious, relaxed, calm, stressed, overwhelmed, tired, exhausted, excited, bored, lonely, shy, confident, proud, jealous, impressed, inspired, hopeful, grateful, guilty, ashamed, relieved, embarrassed.
That's a big list, but don't worry. You don't need to remember everything today.
Even if you learn just 3 to 5 new feeling words and start using them, your English will become much more expressive and real.
The most important thing is to start naming your feelings in English. I feel tired. I feel hopeful today. I feel a bit lonely this week.
Now we have a question for you. Our question of the day: what is one emotion you feel often, and why?
It can be simple. For example, I often feel curious because I love learning new things. I often feel grateful because my family supports me. I often feel tired because I work long hours.
Write your answer in the comments. It's a great way to practice, and we really enjoy reading your stories.
Don't worry about mistakes. This is a place to practice and grow. Every sentence you write is progress.
If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the English Academy, and share it with someone who is learning English.
Keep learning, keep noticing your feelings, and keep speaking about them in English, little by little. Your vocabulary and your confidence will grow.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today.
Take care, and we'll see you in the next episode of the English Academy.
Bye for now.